Shit. I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot, holding it down like it's tied to a rock. Everybody y'all talk, they ain't walking that walk. Learned it all on my own. Everything's self-taught. Headshot with the stainless. Blow their mind, now they brainless. Dreams of being on stages. Damn, this shit's outrageous. I can see all of the changes. Everything coming in phases. Last year I was nameless. This year I'm finna be famous. I've been doing my own thing, doing good in my own lane. Started wearing my own name, but it ain't on a gold chain. Saying things that they won't say, making moves that they can't play. Half of these rappers got no soul, probably sold it on eBay. Turning this shit to a brand, it was a part of the plan. No one knew who I was, now they know who I am. Gotta get straight to the business, building it up like it's Tetris. They say that I'm something to witness, dropping these rhymes and they vicious. Going in when it's game time, y'all been stuck on the sideline. Every day I've been rising up, see you niggas on decline. Blowing up like a landmine, your career need a lifeline. Work ethic ain't like mine, pray to God start seeing signs. Trying to pull up in the I-8, you wanna ride but it's too late. Showing me love but it's all fake, deep inside know it's all hate. I cannot lose in this mind state, my timing is now and they can't wait. Don't know what's to come like a blind date, keep putting that work and we all straight. Great.
I don't want the shit. I don't wanna be a boyfriend or other shit. I don't wanna get involved with all these other chicks. I don't wanna get involved with any of the shit. With all these other chicks, I'd rather fucking naked than fuck all these other chicks. With all these other chicks, I'd rather fucking naked than fuck all these other chicks. 1 shot, 2 shots, she gonna get some more. 5 shots, 6 shots, she gonna hit the floor. 9 shots, 10 shots, she never wanted more. I'm supposed to be a boyfriend, but it's a chore. Why you fucking rude? I know you wanna make it, but why does that make you cool? Tell her you don't love her and you couldn't make it, dude. Cause you don't need another fucking lady with your crew. I know what you mean. You gotta push them out if you just wanna be a G. They hate to be alone, but it's exactly what they need. So tell these motherfuckers they can get it when I leave. I don't want the shit. I don't wanna be a boyfriend or other shit. I don't wanna get involved with all these other chicks. I don't wanna get involved with any of the shit. With all these other chicks, I'd rather fucking naked than fuck all these other chicks. With all these other chicks, I'd rather fucking naked than fuck all these other chicks. 1 shot, 2 shots, she gonna get some more. 5 shots, 6 shots, she gonna hit the floor. 9 shots, 10 shots, she never wanted more. I'm supposed to be a boyfriend, but it's a chore. Where you fucking been? I know you wanna know, but I can't tell you till the end. I know I gotta make it in, I'll fake it to pretend. Cause fuck all of the hating that you say is in my head. You say it's in my head. I know you wanna snake it, let's just say it's just pretend. I know you want me famous, let's just say this is the end. I know you feel me, baby, let's just hit it once again. I don't want the shit. I don't wanna be a boyfriend or other shit. I don't wanna get involved with that.